Hi my dearest friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading using technical analysis, and I'm going to use the help of the stochastic indicator, try and find good entry points on the market and hit my goal for today. I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $85 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $10,000. Hopefully by the end of the video, I'm able to do that. So stick around until the end of this video and see if my trading situations work out quite well and if you're able to understand these trading techniques. And also, I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, you can learn a lot about binary trading, ask questions concerning binary trading as well. If you'd like to join this private chat, go under this video. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, and you can join and ask all your questions and comment and suggest any new video that you would like to see. And also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe down below to my channel. So let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So I'd like to briefly talk about the stochastic oscillator indicator and what to rely on when picking a good entry point. As you can see, this indicator is presented at the bottom of the screen. It consists of two slides and levels of 70 and 30. When the green slide goes above the red one, here you understand that the rising movement begins on the market, and on this cross section you can open a trade to go up. At the same time, the closer the sliding line is to the level of 70, which is the red horizontal line, the stronger the trend on the market. Next, as you can see, the price shows a good decline, and we have a cross section of the sliding ones. That is that the green line goes down. On this cross section, you can open a trade to go down. At the same time, the closer the sliding lines are to a level of 30, the stronger the downward movement on the market. So I can now see already a good entry point, and I would like to explain it to you and work it out. So here you can currently see that the price is moving down, and here I'm going to open immediately a trade to go down, since as you can see on the indicator, there is a crosscut of the sliding lines and both lines are approaching the level of 30. That is that the indicator says that the price has a good downside potential. As you can see, earlier the price has already touched the marked resistance level several times, and at this moment we have a rebound from this level and the price moves down. It's more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. So I'm going to watch this graph and see how this trade closes. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price shows a good decline, and here I got a very good profit. In this situation, this indicator really gave me a great entry point, and 1 minute was quite enough time for this. Let me continue and find more situations. So here you can see that next the price continues to move under the resistance level, and currently the red candlesticks are formed on the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down. Since on the indicator the green line goes down, this means that the price has a good downside potential. At the same time, as you can see, earlier the price has already several times tried to break through this level, and so far it has not been successful. This time you can also see a reaction near this level and the price begins to go down. At the same time, we still have a long distance until the last price minimum, so it's more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. So here I'm going to take a time of 1 minute, taking into account that the price has been moving quite impulsively recently. So let me wait for the end of this trade. Well, this is pretty awesome. You can see the price shows a slight decline, and here I got a very good profit. The indicator hinted at a very good entry point again, and 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. So I'm going to continue and consider other working situations. So here you can see that the price is moving along the downtrend, and below we have the support level from which the price has already made a rebound up a few times. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since as you can see we have a cross cutting of the lines on the indicator, which suggests that the price has a good downside potential. And also you can see we still have a distance to the support level. As you can see earlier, the price has been turning and moving down from this area. Now you can see some kind of fading on the graph. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will likely continue moving down and approach the marked level. In this situation, I'm going to use 2 minutes with a reserve taking into account the price may fall into the retracement zone or there may be an increase in the price. But let me wait and see the results. This is pretty good. You can see the price really fell into the retracement zone here, but my trade closes below the entry point here, and here I got a very good profit. As you can see, it's not always easy to find the right time for your trades, but with enough experience you get better and better at it. So let me continue and find more situations. So as you can see here, the price is moving up in the uptrend. At the same time, the green sliding line is located on top, and both the lines move higher than the level of 70. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go up, since as you can see, the main price minimums on the graph are becoming higher. Also, after a long retracement, the price began to move up more impulsively. All this indicates the price has a good upside potential, and so it's more likely that the price will continue to move up in the uptrend. Also, in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reverse, taking into account the price can roll down or get into the retracement zone. So let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really good, friends. You can see the price really continue to move according to my scenario and shows a good growth. Here I got very good profit. Thus you can see I have my first 1,000 as my deposit. This is a great result. Let me continue and find more situations. So here you can see that the price is moving up in the uptrend. Currently the price makes a roll back down. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down, since on the graph we had a cross cut of the lines and both of them are approaching the level of 30. That is, the indicator says that the price has a good downside potential here. Also below we have a zone in which we observed some fading, and we still have small distances to this area. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down. At the same time, earlier on the graph, we already seen that there has a price rebound down, and now after the impulsive movement up, the price shows a decline. On such a rebound down here, I'll try and earn very good profit. In this situation, I'll use 1 minute with the account that such a trade is obtained against the main rising price movement, and so that our position here does not fall, I'm taking 1 minute exactly. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really awesome, friends. You can see an impulsive red candlestick appears on the graph, and thus this trade brings me a lot of profit. You can see that 1 minute in the situation was quite perfect for this trade. Also, this indicator did not let me down and showed me a good entry point. So let me continue and find the next entry point. So here you can see that here our price is moving along the downtrend, and currently you can observe some kind of fading. Here I'm going to suggest opening the trade for 1 minute to go up, since the green line on the indicator goes up. That is, the indicator says that the price has the upside potential. Also, as you can see here, the price clearly has a support level from which it has already made a small rebound up several times, and most likely the price will continue to move up in the near future. At the same time, as you can see, earlier the price moved down almost without making a rollback up. Now you can see the fading on the graph and several green candlesticks in a row. Let me wait and see how this trade will end. This is really good, friends. You can see the price shows a good growth, but then makes a rollback down. At the same time, my trade manages to close above the entry point here, and thus I got very good profit. You can see I already have almost $4,000 as my deposit, so I'd like to consider 2 more situations for today. Here you can see that the price is moving in the uptrend, and currently the price is in the correction zone. In this situation, I'll open the trade for a minute to go down, since as you can see we have a cross cut of the lines, and both lines are located near the level of 30. So I understand that the price has a good downside potential here. Also, you can see there is still a long distance to the minimum point on the graph, so it's likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. In this situation, I'm using 1 minute, taking into account that such a trade is obtained against the main rising trend. So let me wait for the end of this trade. This is pretty good, friends. you can see the red candlestick appears on the graph. Thus I got a confident plus here. The indicator in the situation did not let me down and hinted at a good entry point. Also here I chose correctly the time for the trade, which was 1 minute. So let me continue and find another situation. So as I can see here, I have a support level at the bottom from which the price has already made the rebounds up twice, and currently the price shows good growth. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes to go up, since the green line is located on the indicator from above. That is, I understand that the price has an upside potential here, so I still have a long distance up to the maximum point on the graph. At the same time, you can see the price began to move mostly with green candlesticks from the support level, and after a fairly strong decline, the price still continues to move up. So it's likely that the price will continue to show growth in the near future. Also here, I'm taking 2 minutes into account that the price can get into the retracement zone or make a rollback down. But let me watch this graph and see what will happen. This is excellent. You can see the price is moving along my scenario and shows a slight growth. Here I got a very good profit. In this situation, you can see the indicator did not let me down again and help me find a good entry point. Right now you can see that 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade, and thus I already have $12,000 in my deposit. So my trading goal for today has been fulfilled. I'll fix this profit and leave the market. So as you saw, the trades today really worked out quite well. As you saw, I made quite a good profit today and hit my goal. You can be able to do it. It's not difficult at all. You just need to practice a lot, gain enough skills and experience, and within no time you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. If you'd like to learn more about binary trading and have questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. Go under this video, it has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And don't forget to support my channel if you really like all my videos, and especially if you like today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. So until next time, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.